Today we're announcing the winners of the Deoxit kits from Keg. It's time to bury your subwoofer. No, not because it's broken, because that's how the Dayton Audio DB8 works. This outdoor speaker is built specifically for use outside, and interestingly, it's meant to be buried for a unique and discreet look. If you want to learn more, check it out on partsexpress.com. Since it's outdoor season, you might be thinking of adding some outdoor speakers, but the hardest step would be drilling into your home. Well, this kit comes with everything you need to protect the amplifier from weather, so the whole thing can be kept outside. This is the easiest way to add permanent outdoor speakers to your deck or patio. There are even a few bundles that have different sets of speakers that come with the kit, so you can choose the one that's right for you. Does anyone know what's going on over at Dayton Audio? The company keeps posting teasers for what appears to be a high-end set of bookshelf speakers. The dates are counting down to April 12th, so follow their social media accounts and perhaps you'll be one of the first to know about whatever is coming. Thanks to Keg for allowing us to give away these kits to 2 lucky winners this month. Those 2 lucky individuals are Rob B. from Grand Rapids, Michigan, and Paul S. from Sterling Heights, Michigan. Hey, congratulations to both Rob and Paul, and we'll be in touch soon. This month, we will be giving away a DIY PA bundle with Dayton Audio woofers and Eminence horn drivers. This could be a really cool new project for one lucky winner, so good luck to all who enter, and we'll see you next month.